This is Graham, well, GM, CT Dude with a video on Xbox. See, look at all this dynamite. I have dynamite. It's gonna be falling and being fireworks. One sec. Get this thing started. Ready? Who wants to see this? Ready? Then we press this, okay, and then watch this. Oh, what the heck? Never mind. See, watch this. Now watch this, guys. I'm so sorry, but there must have been a mistake. So I should have gone to the top, but I didn't. And now I have to do this. Ready? Inventory. Let's get out some, of course. Redstone torch. A. You're gonna set. Watch this. Okay, let's blow up this dynamite, baby! Oh yeah! Blow up your dynamite! Blow! Blow, 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 blow! Oh yeah, blow up, blow up, blow up! Woohoo! And the one last TNT left did not explode. Oh. And that's how it works.